Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Lorenzo Protocol token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Lorenzo is an institutional grade assets management platform specializing in the tokenization of yield generating financial products. Its flagship innovation, the financial abstraction layer FAL, enables the issuance of on-chain traded funds (OTFs), tokenized yield strategies designed to make crypto assets financing more accessible and efficient. As the official assets management partner of World Liberty Financial (WFI), Lorenzo launched USD1 Plus, a next-generation USD1 based financial product that integrates yields from real-world assets (RWA), trading strategies, and DeFi protocols. Lorenzo Protocol project institution rating is 4.5 and this project audited by Ceretic. Lorenzo token total supply is 1.21 billion and circulating supply is around 1.17 billion bank token. Bank token is listed on Binance, Bitget, Gate.io, MEX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.